Start lying face down with your arms stretched overhead and your legs long. Lift your chest slightly off the floor by bracing your core and squeezing your glutes. Begin the movement by sweeping your arms out to the sides, then rotating your palms as they come out from round to the back, your shoulders pulled away from your ears. As your hands reach the small of your back, squeeze your shoulder blades together and gently lift your chest higher into a controlled cobra style extension. Avoid cranking your neck or overarching your lower back. Reverse the motion smoothly, reaching your arms overhead again while maintaining tension through your upper back, glutes, and core. Keep the movement slow and controlled to build stability. The prone swimmer with a cobra back extension is a great way to strengthen your upper back, improve shoulder mobility, and build healthy spinal extension.